Have you ever wondered how the ancient practice of yoga can lead to emotional balance and inner serenity in today's fast-paced world? Yoga for Emotional Balance and Serenity invites you on a transformative journey into the world of yoga and its profound impact on emotional well-being. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of healthy living. We all know how essential it is to take care of our bodies and minds, and in this video, we've got some fantastic tips and insights to help you lead a healthier, happier life. So, if you're ready to embark on this journey towards a more vibrant you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so you won't miss any of our valuable content. How can the practice of yoga, with its postures, breath control, and mindfulness, guide you toward a more emotionally balanced and serene existence, fostering inner peace in the midst of life's chaos? Let's embark on a captivating exploration of how yoga can become a pathway to emotional balance and a life imbued with tranquility. At the core of Yoga for Emotional Balance and Serenity lies the understanding that yoga is a potent tool for cultivating emotional well-being. Yoga reduces stress. One of the most significant benefits of yoga is its ability to reduce stress, a key factor in achieving emotional balance. It promotes emotional awareness. Yoga encourages you to connect with your emotions, understand them, and allow them to flow, facilitating a sense of emotional equilibrium. Yoga improves emotional regulation. The practice of mindfulness and breath control in yoga empowers you to manage emotional responses effectively. It encourages self-compassion. Yoga fosters self-compassion, allowing you to be kind and patient with yourself as you navigate the challenges of life. Yoga empowers you to face life's ups and downs with grace. By incorporating yoga into your daily routine, you develop the capacity to confront difficulties with composure and resilience, ultimately leading to a life of emotional balance and serenity. Furthermore, yoga is a tool for personal growth. It empowers you to take control of your stress levels, emotional awareness, emotional regulation, and a deeper sense of emotional balance, ultimately leading to a more serene and harmonious life. In conclusion, Yoga for Emotional Balance and Serenity is an invitation to recognize the profound potential of yoga in achieving emotional balance. It's a reminder that yoga reduces stress, promotes emotional awareness, improves emotional regulation, encourages self-compassion, and empowers you to face life's challenges with grace and resilience. By embracing the practice of yoga, you can unlock a lasting source of emotional balance, personal growth, and a profound sense of inner peace and serenity. So, with each yoga pose, every mindful breath, and the awareness of the importance of emotional balance, envision it as an opportunity to cultivate emotional well-being, manage stress, and lead a more serene and emotionally harmonious life. As we wrap up this video on healthy living, remember that making small, positive changes in your daily routine can lead to significant improvements in your overall well-being. We hope you found this information useful and inspiring. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family. Together, we can all strive for a healthier, happier, and more fulfilling life. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.